How to unsend message on Messenger. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can unsend messages on Messenger. If you have sent message to someone mistakenly and you want to unsend them, you can do so. For that, you'll have to open your Messenger application on your mobile device, and once you reach to this page, make sure you are logged into your account. Find the person from the list, and once you have found it, click on the person's profile to reach to their chat page. Once you reach to the chat page, you'll find the message you want to unsend. Once you have found the message you want to unsend, you just simply have to tap and hold the message, and at the bottom you will find various options. There you will also find 3 dots that says more. Click on this option, and from the list you will find remove option. Click on remove, and you will be presented with 2 more options. If you want to remove it for yourself only, or you want to unsend it to that person. As we are going to unsend the message, so click on this first option that appears, and then you will see you have successfully unsent the message, but it will inform that person that you have unsent a message. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.